Hello, today I will guide you on how to detect and fix RAM errors on your PC using Windows Memory Diagnostic. Step 1, open and run Windows Memory Diagnostic. Go to Start, then type Windows Memory Diagnostic. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. You can restart your PC now to run the memory check or click on Check for Problems next time I start my computer. If restarting now, close all running apps and save your work, then click Restart Now. After restart, Windows will automatically check for memory problems. The test will run twice. Let it complete. Step 2, check the test results. After the tests finish, the PC will restart normally. To see the results, press Win plus R to open the Run dialog. Type Event TV Adjacent, press Enter to open Event Viewer. Expand Windows Logs and select System. Look for Memory Diagnostics results entry under Information Level. If not found, click Find and search for Memory Diagnostic. If the level is information, that means RAM is fine. If it's warning or error, there is a RAM problem. Step 3, fixing RAM issues. If RAM issues are detected, shut down your PC completely, carefully remove the RAM sticks, clean their gold contacts and the RAM slots, then reinsert them securely, switching slots if you have more than one to check if the issue is resolved. I hope this guide helped you diagnose and fix any RAM issues on your Windows PC. If you have any questions or other methods that worked for you, feel free to share them in the comments. Thanks for watching.